Hello future engineers. Here is another video in integral calculus, particularly on iterated integrals. And this is triple integrals in preparation to the applications such as calculating the volume, locating the centroid, computing the mass moment of inertia, and so on and so forth. So I hope that through this video, your skills and knowledge in calculus will be enhanced, thereby little by little transforming you to become better students. So there are only two exercises in this video. So evaluate the iterated integrals. So for 39.1, we have integral from 0 to 2, 0 to z squared, 0 to y minus z, quantity 2x minus y, dx, dy, dz. So that means we have to evaluate this integral first, considering x as the variable. So integral of quantity 2x minus y dx is 2x squared over 2 or x squared, then minus yx from 0 to y minus z. So that would be x squared minus yx from 0 to y minus z dy dz. So substituting limits, that would be y minus z quantity square minus y times y minus z, then minus lower limit 0 dy dz. So simplifying by expanding, so I'll call the integral, the value of the integral as I. So integral 0 to 2, 0 to z square of quantity y square minus 2yz plus z square minus y square plus yz dy dz. Combining like terms, we cancel out y squared and we have negative yz plus z squared. Integral 0 to 2, 0 to z square quantity negative yz plus z square dy dz. Integrating next with respect to y, so we have here integral 0 to 2 of quantity negative y square over 2z plus z square y from 0 to z square dz. So substituting, this is z to the 4th times z, so negative z to the 5th over 2, integral 0 to 2, then plus z cubed minus lower limit 0. So uh, z to the 5th over 2 plus z to the 4th, rather, z squared times z squared, so z to the 4th, then 0, lower limit dz. Finally, this is negative z to the 6 over 12 plus z to the 5 over 5 from 0 to 2. So substituting, don't mind the lower limit, it's 0. So negative 2 to the 6 over 12 plus 2 to the 5th over 5 minus 0. So that would be equal to 16 over 15. So we proceed to the next exercise. So we have integral 1 to 2, 0 to 2z, 0 to ln x of x e to the negative y dy dx dz. So the order of integration is y first, then x, then last z. So integrating this with respect to y, so that would be x is constant, x, then negative e to the negative y from 0 to ln x. So we have integral 1 to 2, 0 to 2z, quantity x, negative e to the negative y, 0 to ln x dx dz. So substituting with respect to y, so that would be integral 1 to 2, 0 to 2z of So we have negative here, x e to the negative ln x minus x dx dz. So take note that e to the negative ln x is simply negative x. So that becomes negative x squared. So I equals negative integral 1 to 2, 0 to 2z of quantity x, 1 over x rather, because this is negative ln x ln e. So negative ln x, and that is also uh, e to the ln of x to the negative 1. So again, this is e negative ln of x to the negative 1, and ln of x to the negative 1 is also ln of 1 over x. Then e ln of 1 over x is simply 1 over x. So then minus x dx dz. So that simplifies to negative integral 1 to 2 of, because this is 1, integral of 1 dx is x, then integral of negative x dx, negative x squared over 2, 0 to 2z dz. Substituting limits, so we have I negative integral 1 to 2 of negative 2z, negative of negative 2z. So that would be 2z, then minus 2z square over 2 is negative 2z square dz. Finally, we have I equals integral 1 to 2 of 2z square minus 2z. Then integrating, we have integral 2z square over 3 minus z square from 1 to 2. So substituting limits, 2 times 2 cube over 3 minus 2 square, then minus lower limit 2 thirds, 2 times 1 cube over 3 minus 1 square. So that would be 16 thirds minus 4 minus 2 thirds plus 1. 16 thirds minus 4 minus 2 thirds plus 1, and that is equal to 5 thirds. So that's it for this video. I hope that you were able to follow the explanations and the solutions. Thereby, you can also solve by your own problems on iterated integrals.